गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा पढ़ाई में। और आज हम आ चुके हैं 7th स्टैंडर्ड के ज्योग्राफी के साथ। और आज का हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है सॉइल। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड्स। ब्लैक सॉइल इज फाउंड इन उस्मानाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र। लेदरिंग सॉइल इज फाउंड इन रायगढ़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. Madhya Pradesh potato is cultivated in region where soils are well. State whether the following statements are true or false. Black soil is found in Deccan Plateau region. True. Jowar is cultivated on the large scale in Konkan region. False. Rich rice is staple in the diet of people from Kerala. True. Beam district of Maharashtra is famous for cultivation of custard apple. True. Planting trees helps in reduction erosion of soil. True. Why do the following occur? Give geographical reasons. To the west of Sahadir, leather soils are found from Balsad rock. It is heavy. Answer: it rains heavily to the west of Sahyadris, that is Konkan region. The climate of West Sahyadris is humid. Heavy rainfall is humid, leads to leaching of basalt rock on large scale. Soil increases. Answer: the regular use of organic manures, vermic compost. Compost helps in maintaining HP balance in the soil. A large number of microorganisms exist in the soil with high HP. pH. Microorganisms decompose the dead remains of plants and animals and other organic matter. The biotic material thus produces is called humus. Thus, by regular use of organic manure, humus contained in the soil increases. Soil formation process is faster in equatorial climate. Answer: high temperature and high rainfall. And the main feature of equatorial climates, the temperature of equatorial region is around 27 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius throughout the year. The main annual rainfall is equatorial region is around 2500 mm to 3500 mm. It is a rain out through this region. The region In the region of high temperatures and high rainfall, the process of soil formation is faster. Thus, due to the high temperature of high and high rainfall, soil formation is faster in the equatorial climate. The salinity of soil increases if irrigation facilities are utilized from production great amount of crops, but excessive irrigation draws the sludge from the soil upwards and make the soil saline and then unproductive. Thus, due to the excessive irrigation, the salinity of soil increases. Rice is a stable diet of the people from Konkan, hot and humid climate, high rainfall. Our soil is from Konkan unfavorable for cultivation of rice. Therefore, rice is grown on a large scale in Konkan. The local agriculture products determine the stable diet of people. Therefore, rice is the staple diet of people from Konkan. Soil erosion. Answer: a type of layer, a top layer of soil gets removed due to heavy rainfall or running of water of rivers. Eroded due to high velocity of winds and steep slopes. Thus, soil erosion occurs due to running water, winds, and slopes. Soil degradation. To answer: to obtain higher agriculture yield, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, weedicides, and irrigation techniques is used. However, excess spraying of chemical fertilizer leads to soil degradation. In such condition, the proportion of humus in soil decreases and pH value of soil gets disturbed. Excessive irrigation drawn of the salt from the soil upwards to make the soil saline and then unproductive. Thus, soil erosion occurs due to the chemicals and chemical fertilizers and excessive irrigation. Counts stretches CCTS. Soil is conserved by constructing continuous counter stretches CCTS along slopes. Construction of CCTS at different heights takes the velocity of water running along the slopes and thus reduce soil erosion. The water arrested at CCTS percolates into the ground, thus further helps increasing the level of groundwater. Watershed of Development Program. The the government of Maharashtra has implemented the watershed catchment area, the development program under which construction embankment along slopes is rural area. Introduction CCTS along ST slopes, etc. Activity are undertaken. Thus leads to the success of schemes. Arrest water, let this percolate. This has a result in raising the groundwater levels and reducing the erosion of soil. The Jalyukt Shivar. The government of Maharashtra has recently launched the scheme called Jalyukt Shivar. Under this scheme, works like construction of farm bunds, arresting water of small streams, connecting the streams, etc., are being carried out on a large scale. Organic manures. Answer. Vermictic compost, etc. are organic manures. A large number of earthworms, ants, and many other microorganisms are found in organic measures are used for farming. These microorganisms help the decomposition of the dead remains of plants and animals. These increases the proportion of humus in the soil and the soil becomes fertile. Thus, the conversing soil, the use of organic manures is highly essential. Place whether if where you places where you will get information about the suitable of soil for a particular crop. Answer. The information about the suitability of a soil for a particular crop can be obtained for the Department of Agriculture. मतलब जो इन्फॉर्मेशन जो एक सॉइल के लिए होती है एक पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप के लिए, वो आपको डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, सॉइल टेस्टिंग लेबराइजेशन एट स्टेट लेवल एट एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी पे मिल जाएगी. नेक्स्ट, द टाइप ऑफ सॉइल, द फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ सॉइल, द प्रपोर्शन ऑफ ह्यूमस इन सॉइल. ये सारी चीज़ें आपको टेस्ट करके गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र जो एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट है वो आपको बताएगी कि आपको कैसे कैसे करना है. और अलग अलग चीज़ें ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द एनालिटिक्स ऑफ सॉइल, द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द सुटेबिलिटी फॉर वन पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप इज़ गिवन टू द फार्मर. तो आज के बस नया होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा, वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.